I think it's about time Ku and Nemi test these out. I saved it for a while because I was worried that once they start playing with them that they'd get destroyed. Nemi, look! It's a Mickey Mouse. I'm cutting it first. Hold on. Hold on, Ku. Hold. She's already going crazy. Help! Hey, look. Good job. Good job. Good job. Oh, you're so sweet. Nemi! Ku, she doesn't destroy cat toys, that's for sure. But Nemi goes really crazy. Let me see what happens. Ku, hey. This is Ku's. You're blue. Ikyo, hi! Wait. Zooming with Danny again because her birthday is coming up this week. I thought I would do something little for her. I remember on Saturday on my way home I did stop by to get pudding. I went with the chocolate. This is kind of like the cake. I got candles from actually for my birthday this year. One of my students gave me candles for my birthday and they said it was a joke, but before they said that, like, I didn't know how to react to it because I thought they were really serious. There are candles that spell out happy birthday. I thought I'd use these candles. I think I want to add a little cookie on there, but
okay.
So I know I know your birthday is not until like Thursday, but look.
Take a picture of it.
You can't even see the HBD. It's melting!
Oh my god.
how Vlogmas is gonna turn out because after today I'm gonna be very busy, like for an entire week, and I don't think I'm gonna have enough time to edit another vlog until like probably the end of next week, because tomorrow, which is Friday, I work all day. Next day, Saturday, I work only in the morning, but after that a student invited me to go to a cooking studio, which I'm actually pretty excited to go check out because I've never been to like a cooking studio or cooking class before. I'm not sure if I'm able to vlog anything, but I will show my creation at least because I heard I can take it home. Sunday is always our cleaning day here at the house because, you know, I hate mess. I hate when it's dirty. Like, it gives me anxiety. But I also have to go get my nails done, and then when I come back I have to pack everything up because Ray and I are going to be out of town. Then Monday, the next day, is when we're leaving. But before we leave, we're dropping these girls. We're dropping these girls off at the house I previously lived in, which her brothers are living, Snowy and Brownie. It's been a long time since Koo has last been to that house. Don't fight, okay? Be good girls. Good girls. And after we drop them off in the morning, we go straight to our destination. And we're staying for one night. Next day, which is Tuesday, we have to check out. And I'm assuming after that we're going to be coming home. By the time we come home, it's probably evening. And then we have to go pick these girls up again, or I don't know if they plan to drop them off at our house. Next day, Wednesday, I work all day, but it's also my last day of work for the year. And then after that, I'm on vacation, officially on winter vacation. But Thursday, the next day, I think it's either Thursday or Friday that we're gonna be having a Christmas party. Of course, it's not anything big. After all that, I get to relax a little bit, and I think I'll take that time to edit vlogs. I feel like that was a long explanation. By the way, isn't this cute? Like, I'm a fan of Star Wars, and like, well, I haven't seen Mandalorian, but my friend has the Yoda, the baby Yoda one, or his real name is Grogu. So I did a matching one with Mando.